It's time for the Toyota Stout to rise to the occasion and truly confront the Ford Maverick. The Ram Rampage isn't coming to America, and the Hyundai Santa Cruz isn't selling as well as anticipated. The new Toyota Stout now has a chance to rule. Toyota has experience in the market for small pickup trucks. After all, Toyota's initial HiLux pickup was what actually gave the company its first taste of success in America. The Stout was the first Toyota vehicle in the small class to be sold in North America, something many of you may not be aware of. The Toyota Stout, the Japanese automaker's first independent compact truck for North America, existed before the HiLux as we know it. The HiLux was initially marketed as the Tacoma in the US. Currently, the Toyota Stout 2025 is expected to replace the Stout in 2024. Why are we debating about the Stout? Toyota registered the Stout name, according to an article published on the Argentinian website AutoWeb last month. This information sparked speculation that the brand might be brought back. Jack Hollis, Senior Vice President of Automotive Operations at Toyota North America, discussed the company's interest in the market with Auto News in June, which led to the publication of this story. He claimed that there is space in the US lineup, following the Tacoma, for a small, UTE-like pickup truck, and many believe that the Stout might be that vehicle. Despite the fact that only 4 of the 1964 Toyota Stout's first-year models were sold, the compact truck market is improving, at least based on the Ford Maverick's performance. For a release in 2024 or 2025, Toyota has acknowledged that they may be working on a tiny unibody truck. A new Toyota pickup will likely take some styling cues from the 2024 Toyota Tacoma, at the very least. Needless to say that, like its older brother, the Toyota Stout, a revival model has the potential to be the greatest in its class. The Toyota Stout could take the following form in 2024. In addition, the Toyota truck, also known as the Toyota HiLux, was replaced with the first-generation Toyota Tacoma, which was categorized as a compact truck. Later models grew in size and transitioned to being mid-size pickups, and the Tacoma eventually rose to the top spot for mid-size trucks sold in the US. With the Ford F-Series, Chevrolet Silverado, Ram pickup, and GMC Sierra ahead of it on the list of the best-selling trucks in America, the Tacoma still comes in somewhere in the middle. The full-size pickups listed there are all full-size and range in price from roughly $35,000 to $85,000. In reality, full-size trucks account for 2/3 of light cars sold in America. What role does a small vehicle play in all of this? A small-size pickup truck with an affordable price is what a lot of people are seeking for, if the Ford Maverick's popularity with a starting price of around $23,000 is any indicator. Possibly something that is more geared toward utility than off-road driving. Since a truck bed makes moving things around so much easier, nothing can compare. Particularly if the pickup truck it is hitched to is small enough to be driven in cities. The Ford Maverick is based on the same front-wheel drive, unibody architecture as the well-liked Ford Escape and Ford Bronco Sport, making it precisely what it claims to be. If Toyota is genuinely considering breaking into the small truck market, it will likely do it using its own unibody platform, the modular TNGA, which also serves as the foundation for everything from the Toyota Corolla to the Toyota RAV4. Stout might very well be the moniker Toyota gives its little truck given the history the company has with the nameplate. In contrast to the International Harvester Scout SUV, the Stout is obviously not to be confused with it. The Toyota Stout will serve as the entry-level model in the Toyota truck lineup, given that a tiny Toyota pickup will effectively be a version of the company's best-selling RAV4 with a pickup bed. At the moment, the Toyota Tacoma, a mid-size vehicle, holds that position. The 2024 Toyota Tacoma won't have prices yet, although the aging, current-generation Tacoma starts at roughly $28,000. Particularly if you want a Tacoma model with the latest features that the new platform delivers, expect that entry barrier to be greater. The Toyota Tacoma is already a top seller, and the redesign will further increase its popularity. However, there is undoubtedly a market for a truck that provides a driving experience more comparable to a car than the Tacoma's body-on-frame does. Not to mention a vehicle that would be simpler to navigate in the city. This is where a vehicle like the Toyota Stout will be useful. Interested in knowing the price of a 2024 Toyota Stout? To put things in perspective, the starting price of the most popular Toyota RAV4 for 2023 is around $28,000, while the starting price of the Toyota RAV4 Hybrid is around $31,000. A brand new Toyota Stout should cost about the same. Toyota will undoubtedly give it everything they've got while aiming for a pricing that undercuts the 2024 Toyota Tacoma by a significant amount. The RAV4's underpinnings will be used to support a Toyota compact pickup. It seems rational to anticipate that the Toyota Stout truck will receive the same tried-and-true hybrid powertrain as the RAV4 hybrid. We're talking about an all-wheel drive 2.5-liter engine with two electric motors that produce a combined 219 horsepower. The RAV4 hybrid's front and rear electric motors provide 118 and 54 horsepower, respectively, with 149 and 89 pound-feet of torque. A 1,750 pound towing capability is also available. A Toyota Stout hybrid based on the RAV4 will face difficult competition when taking into account the 2,000 pound towing capacity of a conventional front-wheel drive Ford Maverick hybrid. However, keep in mind that the Maverick all-wheel drive, when correctly fitted with the tow package, can pull up to 4,000 pounds. Toyota will be a serious Maverick challenger if it can design the Stout all-wheel drive to have equal towing capacities. The Toyota Stout, on the other hand, would be a winner right away if it were to borrow technology from the new Tacoma. The new iForce Max 2.4-liter hybrid engine for the Tacoma can produce up to 326 horsepower, but it's clear that it will be an expensive pickup truck option. The iForce 2.4-liter turbocharged motor with 278 horsepower, however, is standard equipment on Tacoma variants. A truck that will fit under the Tacoma may also use this engine as its foundation. It will be a significant improvement over the 1.5-liter, 48-horsepower motor in the original Toyota Stout. It's realistic to assume that an extra model could be introduced soon given that Toyota has been on a bit of a truck lineup makeover binge, with the 2024 Toyota Tundra and 2024 Tacoma proving their revitalized usefulness. Particularly considering Toyota's statement that it is closely monitoring the compact pickup truck market and that any developments are likely to occur in 2024. As a result, the Toyota Stout might make its premiere in 2025. And if Toyota manages to keep the Stout's price in the same range as that of the Ford Maverick, they may have another segment leader on their hands. Does Ford need to be concerned about the Toyota Stout? There appears to be a gap for a competitor now that Ford has stated there are no plans for a plug-in hybrid Maverick. Without a doubt, the Ford Maverick is a capable small truck. The Blue Oval is resisting the development of a PHEV version for this reason. Though real rivalry might arise from something like a Toyota PHEV truck, according to the report. The Toyota Stout was capable of performing that. And sir, what do you rather have? The 2024 Toyota Stout or the 2024 Ford Maverick? Let us know in the comment box below. And if you've watched up to this point, thank you so much. For more videos about EVs, Toyota, Tesla, Ford, and the most recent auto news, please consider subscribing to Tech Addicts.